Hey guys, nope. That's not how we're starting this. Yeah, what up? Well, welcome back to another video, guys. It is no clear skies and no blue skies today. It's been raining all week. Another week full of rain and clouds. But it tapered off for a few hours. I went to the gym and I came out. I was like, you know what? Let me take a little ride real quick. And I had this video pending to do, so take advantage of it. Oh, some breast sticks sound good right now. Lots and lots of breast sticks. Lots of it. So today's gonna be a quick video. This weekend I finally was able to do my 1,000-mile maintenance. Finally reached, I think it was 13 or 1,400 miles that I had on it already. I took it in Saturday morning. So I went in Friday afternoon to see if I was able to get an appointment for Saturday morning. They told me that they were booked for 2.5 weeks. And if I wanted to come early the next day, they would take me in on the express line. So I did. I got up real early. I was there at 6:30 and I was the 5th one in line. Now they say that the first 1,000-mile maintenance is probably the most important one, which it is. That's where you break your bike in. You first get your bike, you break it in. They tell you, hey, listen, take it easy for the first 1,000 miles. Don't exceed a certain amount of speeds. Don't go over a certain amount of RPM, which for this one is 3,500. So try to keep it under the 3,500 RPM zone for the iron. And even when you're cruising around in the highway, try to change up the speed. Don't just keep the bike at one certain speed. Go up, speed down, so the bike can just get used to everything, different gears and everything. So it's just you breaking it in little by little. And I did that. I was very careful for my first 1,000 miles. I always make sure not to go over the 3,500 RPM. And I use the bike for, you know, different kind of rides, highway rides, around the town, mostly around the town. Now that the summer's here, I'm doing more long distance rides. Which this weekend coming up right now, we are taking a 3-hour ride out to Long Island. We're riding out all the way to the tip of Long Island. I'm in Jersey, so that's gonna be a pretty nice ride. And it's supposed to be a really nice ride right on the north shore of the island, past the wineries and everything. So tune in for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. But yeah, anyways, cost. I'm pretty sure everyone's here wondering how much was it to get this done. And I heard numerous stories from other riders who have said, oh, well, they charged me $400, $450, $200, $350. They charged me $350. And that was with just regular oil. They said if I wanted to use synthetic oil, then it was gonna be another 30 bucks on top of it. I was like, you know what? No, give me the regular oil. Because once I reach either 2,500 or 3,000 miles, I'm gonna have to change the engine oil anyways. So I'm fine with that. So it was $350. I think came out to maybe 365, if anything, with tax, if that. I'm not too sure. I have the receipt at home. Okay. Thank you, sir. And yeah, that $350 for a maintenance fee is pretty up there. I mean, I found it. I thought it was gonna be maybe $250, but $350 is a lot. And during this process, they change your oil out, they change all your fluids out. Your breather inside the intake right there, they changed that out as well. I was gonna go with a high flow intake with this process, but due to the high cost of it, I was like, you know what, maybe I'll wait for next time. Maybe in a few weeks I'll go out, I'll buy a high flow intake, and I'll install it myself. So I might do that, and I'll put that video for you guys. But yeah, $350 is a lot of cash. A lot of fucking cash. And now that I've done the 1,000-mile maintenance, I'm able to go over the 3,500 RPM. I'm able to push the bike a little more and get a little more juice out of it. I'm pushing it much more now, and it's a little funner. You know what? I'm gonna go up here. I'm not sure if I've shown you the video, but I like to come up here. I like to ride up here a lot. For the most part, when I'm around town, I like to take this little ride up here because it's a beautiful scenery, nice little scenic views. You take the ride over up here, top of the mountain, right through a park, and then you get to the top and you're able to see the whole town, which is pretty nice. The police. But yeah, so maybe for the next time that I got to do any type of oil change or any maintenance like that, I might do it myself, save myself the money. I'll figure out how to do it, and that'll be another video for you guys to watch as well. That way I save myself all that fucking cash, you know? That fucking cash. Alright, finally made it to the top. Look at that. That's why I like coming up here. It's not the most beautiful in the view in the world because you're overlooking Patterson right there, but that's pretty nice. And it's starting to drizzle now. Let me make my way back home. Making my way back home. Right? That's how the song goes, right? But yeah, so if you're wondering how much it was for maintenance, then there you go. It could also vary about what dealership you go to, because a friend of mine, actually Fernando, one of the guys I was riding with last time when we went out to Brooklyn, he told me that for his, they charged them $450 at his dealership. So I mean, it could be a difference for whatever dealership you go to. And the approximate amount of time was probably around I think 2.5 hours. That's how long I was there for. So the first maintenance is always going to take longer, and it's always going to mean much more money. That's something to keep in mind. And that's it. Now, going back to what I was mentioning before about the ride that I have coming up this Sunday, it's going to be my boy Will. He's the one with the Ducati Sport. And I had 2 or 3 different guys reach out to me from the YouTube channel telling me that they want to come along, because they had sent me a message during the week telling me that they want to meet up and they want to take a ride. So I was like, you know what, come through. Let me just figure out exactly where we're gonna go first, and then I'll let you know. So yeah, there's gonna be a few of us heading out to Long Island this weekend. Like I said before, if you haven't tuned into my channel yet, subscribe, hit that bell button. It's gonna notify you anytime I have new uploads. And if you like these type of videos, guys, smash that like button. There's gonna be more of it coming through. A lot of scenic views videos. This Sunday we're going to Long Island. Next Sunday or the following Sunday after that. I'm not too sure yet. We might do Pennsylvania, or we might do upstate New York, but I'll let you guys know within the meantime. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one, and like always, ride safe and enjoy the ride.